Stepping a stone in, I'm all gone. Give me the tone in, I'm all gone. Yeah, I'm walking by the line. Not here, but in my mind. I'm working a sweat, but it's all good. I'm breaking my back, but it's all good. 'Cause I know I'll get it back. Yeah, I know your hands will clap. I'm working, yeah, I'm working to make butter for my piece of bun. And if you say I'm not okay, then I'll still go. If you say there ain't no way that I could know. If you say I ain't too high from down below. But say you're not, 'cause when I'm gone, you'll be calling, but I won't be at the phone.
I'm Caroline Wallace, and welcome to my blog, Sixth and Congress. Sixth and Congress is the intersection of all things Austin. It's art, it's music, it's film, it's nightlife, it's everything this amazing city has to offer. I'm a senior at St. Edward's University here in Austin, and after living here for nearly 4 years studying communication and journalism, I'm surprised every day when I discover something new and different about this city that I didn't know existed the day before. And that's the purpose of this blog. To spotlight local businesses, expose emerging artists and musicians, and to basically show you where you can have a good time in Austin. But I can't be everywhere at once. So if you want to contribute to Sixth and Congress, whether it be a written story, a photo essay, or a video, shoot me an email and we can hook it up. So remember, if you're looking for a good time in Austin, Sixth and Congress is where it's at.